Hello, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonnemann, and today I get to share Christmas in July with the It's a Wonderful Christmas collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection features 6 stunning papers, as well as an ephemera pack, stickers, stamps, as well as coordinating dies. Let's take a look at each of these pieces individually. The first piece in this collection is the collection kit, which includes 2 of each of the papers in the collection, as well as the element sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of the papers. This paper is called Boughs of Holly. Then we have Feeling Frosty, Holiday Spirit, Snowflakes Are Falling, Christmas Cottage, and the last paper in this collection is called This Home Believes, with all of the lovely cut-aparts. In the element sticker sheet, you get lots of titles as well as icons for mixing and matching with your paper crafting projects. We also have the stamp set with these 2 adorable snowmen and lots of fun sayings, as well as the coordinating die set that cuts out all of those images. We also have a beautiful ephemera pack that includes all of these lovely images and icons. For those of you who want to get your Christmas cards started early, we also have an It's a Wonderful Christmas card kit, which gives you all of the elements to be able to create these 8 stunning cards, including card bases and the element sticker sheet. Let's take a look at each of those cards. Here are the completed cards from the card kit. The It's a Wonderful Christmas card kit is the perfect way to jump in and get your Christmas cards started early. Wishing you a happy Christmas in July. We appreciate you stopping by today, and have a great day.